This confirms the bedrock anomaly, but look at the water coming through the clay layer here, right near the planned conduit route. Hold on, that line isn't documented. We have a major conflict here.
I'll mark it now, but the western sector plans will need review.
The current axis causes too much turbulence and direct glare. We need to adjust. Agreed. Let's try a 3-degree shift.
The revised orientation perfectly integrates the site data.
The structural interfaces on the cable net look solid.
The western panel is lagging. We need to adjust the torque balance. Synchronizing the encoders now. Rerunning the cycle? Looks good. The roof support connections are showing excessive movement under the combined load.
Deploying the reinforced bearings. Stress levels are stabilizing. We are verified.
Conflict resolved. Sequencing confirmed. Authorizing the master plan now.
Isolate this section now.
Bring in the aggregate base immediately. We need compaction on that fill.
Get that lining down now, move it. Watch the slope, it's giving way. We need more rock over here.
Check alignment on grid point 1. We are drifting.
Adjusting now, coming into tolerance.
We've hit the basalt layer, slowing the rotation. All right, bring up the auger. Let's swap to the rock cutter.
Stop the crane now. We have a misalignment at the coupler.
Pull steady on the lines. We're almost there. Watch the pressure, we have a clog. Switch the valve, hurry! It's clear, keep it moving. Stop, we're 20 centimeters too deep right here. Okay, I'm filling it now. Perfect, that is exactly on grade. This section is too congested.
Okay, let's use the revised coupler layout here.
We have a pressure failure on pump 4. Reroute the line immediately.
Confirmed. Switching to the standby boom now. Maintain volume.
Sector 4 temps are spiking. Roger that. Increasing flow to the cooling pipes now.
We've got a high spot here. The red zone is several millimeters out of tolerance. All right, understood. Get the grinders on it now. We need that rescan by 9. We have a clash right here. Reroute the blue line through that opening. All right, adjusting the hoist now. Watch the cables. Stop, the form is moving.
Release the clamps and get the hydraulic jacks ready. We need more bracing on this section now.
The scan shows we're too tight on this side. We need another 3 centimeters. Okay, let's shift the whole assembly west. Stop, the radius is too narrow right here. We need another meter. Copy that. Shifting the curb now. Shut it down now. We've got a bad isolation pad here. All right, easy on the lift. Got it. Watch the pad, it shifted, bring it up. All right, it's clear, lower away.
Hold 4 Alpha, we're showing a delta of 50 millimeters. Confirmed. Waiting on the adjustment sequence now. Stop the test. The rigid conduit failed.
Replace it with this flexible loop now.
Displacement test successful. Bring it in another 2 millimeters. Hold it there.
Reading confirmed. We are aligned.
Stop the descent. We've got grout in the pocket. Hold steady.
Copy that. All right, clear it out. We're setting the beam now. Perfect alignment. We have an issue on the alignment here. Check the bearing.
Okay, lift it up. Adjust the bearing pack and set it back down flush.
Hold it steady. Watch the wind shift. Pushing it back now. Easy, easy. Almost there.
This conduit is too low. Reroute it through the sidewall now. Okay, it's clear. We're good to go. Hold all movement on the west cantilever. I repeat, hold all movement. We have a deflection issue.
This mount point is obstructed by the brace. All right, let's adjust the position. Looks good on the schematic now.
We did it! It's finally closed. Perfect alignment, right on tolerance. Great work, everyone. Hold the lift. The connection plate on this beam is out of tolerance. Agreed. Get the site fabricated replacement up here now. Okay, that works. Resume installation.
This riser conflicts with the acoustic beam. We have approval to shift it 1 bay over. Understood. Team, carefully relocate the riser to the next section. That door placement is a security risk for the player route. Agreed. We'll have the crew reverse the swing and add a vestibule.
Keep it steady, we're almost aligned. Confirmed. Watch the ventilation riser. Okay, the model cleared it.
Check the northern elevation. We have a drift. Adjusting now. Hold position. Scan confirms alignment is restored.
All load cells nominal. We are clear for tensioning.
Confirmed. Sequence initiated.
Wind shear, stop the ascent now. Pull hard on those lines, secure the guide frame. Copy that, holding steady on the south side.
The western carriage is binding. We need to adjust the guide wheels.
Okay, try it now. It's smooth.
The flow rate is dropping at the expansion joint.
Okay, adjust the hangar elevation on Sector 4.
Siphonic action is fully engaged. We are clear.
We've got a differential on the west side. Engaging safety stop. Acknowledged. Running calibration sequence. Thumbs up, resuming motion.
Strain sensors approaching critical limits. Green tolerance confirmed. The structural integrity test is successful.
The manifest says north, but the digital model shows it's assigned to the west elevation.
Isolate this one. We need the replacement unit immediately.
There, he's got it. Look at the signal spike.
Yes.
We are live on the east facade.
The drainage isn't holding at connection point 4. We have pooling here.
They've adjusted the tension. Look, it's clearing now.
Perfect. The flow rate is nominal.
We have a network address conflict in the north sector. Rerunning the sequence in 3, 2, 1.
Perfect synchronization. We are live. We have a critical spike on feeder 9.
Isolate the section. Crews, move in, check the termination on the main bus bar. Secure it and retest. East sector feeds are down. Status report.
Incorrect switch configuration on level 4. Push the update now.
Rerouting. Grid stabilizing. Sector Gamma 4 ventilation is critical.
Remote team dispatched.
Sensor replaced. We're back in sync.
We have pooling near the center circle. Adjusting the sequence now, that should even it out.
That's slightly outside the coordinate. Wait, we had a brief GPS interruption, rerunning now. Okay, alignment restored, proceed. Perfect, much sharper this time. The seam is catching the roll right here. We've reset the panel, try the rebound test now. Perfect vertical rebound. It passes validation.
We have synchronization loss on the main pitch feed. Rerouting now. Check the redundant fiber path. Input 7. Signal restored. We are green across the board. The service corridor override is still active. Rerouting to spectator access now. Check the main concourse display. Looks good. Sections 101 to 110 confirmed.
Well, the reports are finalized. Everything is signed off.
Excellent work. Congratulations to the whole team.